Amazon Seller Central registration step-by-step walkthrough. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I will be giving you step-by-step walkthrough on how to create an Amazon Seller Central account and link it with Printful. But before we get into that, I want to quickly thank Sido. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correct. Sido gave a video recommendation. She said I should do a detailed video on how to get started on Amazon Seller Central. So thank you once again for giving a video recommendation. And for the rest of my subscribers, if there's anything you want to see, just leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me quickly show you my Printful account. So here's my Printful account. I had 2 orders today. For the past 28 days, I had 25 orders with a total of $432. And I've been using just Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. Those are the accounts I've been using for this. But most of my sales came from Amazon. So that's what this video is all about, showing you how to create an Amazon Seller Central account. So before I get started on the steps, I want to point out the main differences and why I will encourage you to open an Amazon Seller Central account today. The first reason is that with Amazon Seller Central, you can upload unlimited products or unlimited designs to the platform, as opposed to Amazon Merch, where your account is tied down to a tier. The reason why I encourage you to open a Seller Central account today is because with Seller Central, you can advertise your listings, which is possible with Merch by Amazon, but it's possible, I think, in the tiers 4,000 and above. So it'll give you an invitation code to advertise your products. But with Seller Central, once you have an account and you upload products, you can advertise any product you want. Apart from the fact that every month you have to pay a monthly fee, $39.99, there's really nothing stopping you from creating and making use of one of the largest print-on-demand e-commerce websites, which is Amazon. So without further ado, let me show you the steps I took to create my account. So I did a previous video comparing Printful and Printify as print-on-demand partners. And one reason why I chose Printful is that Printful has perks. So let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I got points, 800 points from getting my 10th sale. Okay, so the perks is that I have 800 points and I can use the 800 points for any of these. For example, I can use it to get a $5 Printful coupon. I can use it to get a $10 Printful coupon, a free digitization coupon. This is mostly with embroidery products, and this is not available with Printify. With Printify, although Printify has the ability to lower the prices of your product, but you can only achieve those low prices with a Printify subscription, monthly subscription. But Printful is free, and in addition to that, you get Printful perks. So that's the reason why I will advise you to get Printful. So the first step in linking an Amazon Seller Central account with Printful is to create your Printful account. If you haven't created your Printful account, there's a link in the description. Click it and create your Printful account. The steps are very easy. Once you created a Printful account, you need to verify your account using your email. Once you verified your account, the next step is to open your Amazon Seller Central account. So I took screenshots of the process. I'm just going to be showing you that right here. So before we get started, you need to get all of this. Uh, you need to make sure you have your business and contact address. You need to have a mobile or telephone number. You need to have a chargeable credit card and identity details. So once you have all of that in hand, the next thing is there are 4 steps you need to take. You have to fill in your identity information, your billing information, store details, and your verification information. So I'm going to show you all of that in a bit. I already filled in my individual and billing information. The next is the store information. So for the store information, you just have to choose a store name, whatever name you want to choose. But I will advise that you choose a short name because this name will be added in front of your listing. So what you're doing is you're becoming a brand, and you need to choose a brand name that is short and that people can remember. The store name will be added in front of the title of your listings. So a short name will enable you to write a longer product title. So once you've written your store name, they'll ask these other questions. Do you have universal product codes for all your products? Universal product codes are codes which they're like the identification of the product you're going to upload. All the products on Amazon require UPC codes. But because we are doing print on demand, we don't need UPC codes. So, but you have to check yes because you're going to write a letter of exemption of UPC codes. So, if you don't understand any of this, don't worry. There's a video that will go into depth. There's a Printful video that will go into depth of how to write the letter of exemption and all that. So the next question, do you have any diversity certifications? I said no. Are you the manufacturer or brand owner? I said no. Because we're doing print on demand, we don't own the products, nor do we don't own the products. That's why I said I'm not, and we are not the manufacturer, nor do we own the products. That's why I chose no. The next is putting in your identity information, and they're asking you to upload the front and back part of your verification document. It could be an identity card or a passport, either of them, the front and back. You're going to upload it here. The next is your business address, which could also be your home address. And the next is an additional document. So it could be a bank statement or a credit card statement. So you're going to upload that. Once you're done, you submit it. So once you're done submitting, the next step is to pick your appointment time. I already picked an appointment time, and they're going to do a video call with you to verify your identity and other information or other documents. And it will take approximately 2 weeks to get approved, to get your Seller Central account approved. So you need to be patient. So make sure that you attend your appointment on time, and I'll advise that you put a calendar schedule or a reminder, the time and date, so you don't forget. So once you've submitted all the documents and selected all your time and selected the time for your appointment, the time and date for your appointment, the next thing you need to do is to show up for your appointment. So they've given a potential time, waiting time for you to show up for your appointment, and they are also going to send you an email reminder of the confirmation of your appointment. So once you're done, so if everything goes as planned, you might get your account within 2 to 3 weeks. Your account should look like this. So today I got a sale, and I still have a total of $246 left to be paid to me. So there's one thing I want to say. You need to be prepared financially before you open an Amazon Seller Central account, because Amazon Seller Central is not like Etsy, where when a sale goes through, Etsy sends you the money the following day. That's if you have your settings, if you have your settings put like that, like the following day they send you the money. Amazon Seller Central is not like that. They pay you once per month, and if you're not financially ready, you might run into difficulties of fulfilling your customer's product before you're being paid. So that brings me to the second point. The second point is you have to, once your customer orders, you need to fulfill that order as soon as possible in order to maintain a healthy account. Once you receive too many shipped orders, your account can be deactivated or you might be suspended. So you need to ship or place your orders on time and respond to messages from your customers, as well as don't infringe on anyone's trademark. So there's a video that's going to walk you through linking Amazon Seller Central and Printful. It's very easy. So go to stores, choose the platform, and in this case we're going to choose Amazon, but there are various options available like eBay right here and Etsy up here, but we're going to choose Amazon Connect. So once you click Connect, they're going to bring you to this video, everything you need to know about linking your Amazon store and your Printful store together with the UPC codes and the GTIM exemption. Everything is right here. Just follow the steps. And if there's anything you don't understand, just leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll be sure to reply to you. This is the video format. If you learn more with videos, you can follow this video, or if you want to follow these steps right here, everything is spelled out here. So that's it, guys. If there's anything you didn't understand, or if there's anything you would like to ask, you can leave your questions in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about print on demand, KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.